Hey, I was sent this multi-purpose retro record player by Mangostan to check out. So we're gonna open it up, set it up, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts. All right, we'll open the box. This came pretty nicely packaged. So we got the record player out of the box, and this is pretty cool because it's genuinely like a suitcase. There's a little hasp here. We're gonna open this up. Got your power cord. There's foam to protect. So you got your turntable. Let's take a closer look at the record player here. You got a couple volume knobs. You got an AUX output and then a headphone output as well. Here are the two speakers right on the front. On the back, you have your power input, and then there's a couple speaker jacks as well. So you can listen to this with the speakers on the record player itself. You can also connect it to speakers and a headphone. Overall, this seems pretty well constructed, and I really like the portability of this. I can go ahead and store it when I'm not using it, and then bring it right out and easily set it back up when it's time to play the tunes. So we got our record player set up. A full-size record will fit on this. You can also play smaller records. You got a volume knob that you can adjust. You can adjust your bass and treble. For your tone arm here, there's a little clamp that you're gonna unhook. Now when you pull your tone arm over, the record will start to spin. I can't play this record because Amazon and YouTube won't let me play copyrighted music. So we can check out the sound on Bluetooth because I can play some copyright-free music. Turn off your knob, turn it all the way to the right. As it starts to blink, you'll find it and you'll connect to Bluetooth on your device. So we already connected, we're set up. So you can hear it playing right now. So the speakers that this comes with, they're not extremely loud. I would say these are good for personal use if you're trying to relax, read, maybe a bedroom. If you want loud sound, I would definitely recommend using headphones or an external speaker setup. You can see you can adjust treble. If you want more bass, you can adjust to more bass. As far as the record player itself, there is a protective cover over the needle that I already took off. So you're gonna wanna take that off. There's a clip on the tone arm here. You're gonna turn your volume on, then move your tone arm over. You can see the record will start to spin. You have your speed adjustment right here. If you wanna play a 33, a 45, 78 record, gracefully drop your needle on when you're ready to play. This also comes with a spare needle here. If you break that, I like that because those are pretty delicate. So overall, I think this is a nice portable little record player. The sound is great for a small room or if you're just trying to read or by yourself. I love the portability of this. You just close up the case, lock it, and you can carry it wherever you want.